Hi, I'm Jay. How do you prevent camera shake when you're taking pictures, especially with slow shutter speeds, or you have those misaligned horizons in your frame? Well, maybe you're pressing down on the shutter button too hard when you take the shot. So, how do you prevent that? Well, when you hold the camera, find the most comfortable grip with the index finger on top of the shutter button, and then when you're ready to take the picture, squeeze on the camera body, not press on the shutter button, because when you press on the shutter button you might accidentally tilt the camera, and that could produce misaligned horizons and even camera shake. So look at my hand and finger once more. Notice that my finger doesn't move. My index finger remains stationary. So practice that at home or at work when you have nothing to do, of course during break time. And that will definitely improve your shots and prevent those camera shakes and misaligned horizons. So until next time.